In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layer in GIMP. Layers are the building blocks of most image edits, letting you stack elements, adjust them independently, and experiment without changing your original image. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident creating a new layer and setting it up the right way for your project. First, open GIMP. Give it a moment to load your workspace. You'll see the main window with your canvas in the center and panels around it, typically including the Layers panel on the right. If you already have an image open, great. If not, you can still create a new layer. It's a flexible step that works in both cases. Next, look at the top of the window for the menu bar. Click Layer. This is your hub for everything related to layers, adding them, duplicating them, merging, and more. We're focusing on the simplest and most important action here, creating a brand new layer. From the Layer menu, click New Layer. This opens the New Layer dialog, where you set the basic properties before the layer is created. Think of this as labeling and priming your work surface before you start painting. Now, choose a layer name. Good names make complex projects easier to manage. Instead of leaving the default, type something that describes the purpose, like Sky Overlay, Logo, or Shadow. This helps you quickly spot the layer later, especially when you're juggling many of them. Next, choose the fill type. You'll see options for transparency, white, and background. Transparency creates a clear, empty layer. This is ideal if you plan to paint, paste, or draw without covering what's underneath. GIMP shows transparency with a gray checkerboard pattern, so don't worry if you see that. It just means the layer is clear. White fills the entire layer with solid white, which can be useful as a temporary backdrop or when you want a clean base to mask or blend. Background fills the layer with your current background color, which you can see in the color swatches in the toolbox. Choose the option that best matches what you plan to do next. When you're ready, click OK. Your new layer is instantly added to the stack and appears in the Layers panel. It will usually sit above the layer you had selected, so any edits you make on this new layer won't affect the layers beneath it. You'll see its name and a thumbnail, confirming it's ready to use. That's it. Open GIMP. Go to Layer, choose New Layer, name it, pick a fill type, and confirm. With that, you've set a solid foundation for organized, non-destructive editing.